Housing affordability is a challenge we're all trying to solve. But many of us in that space are caught in this rut of known real estate types. And so what I saw in Bob was a really curious mind and an entrepreneur who was willing to step outside of that box.
The company I'm talking about is called ZenniHome, and the guy starting it is Bob Worsley.
Bob Worsley.
Senator Bob Worsley.
And he is president of ZenniHome.
Bob has just a bit of experience starting and scaling a business.
I have lots of ideas, but when I lock in on a good one, I just do it. This all began when I was serving in the Arizona Senate, and I could see the tremendous issues we were having with housing. You can't get labor to build the homes. Homes are setting, waiting for sheetrockers and texture people. And it just is a big problem, and it's never been addressed. So I said to myself, why hasn't this industry, the housing industry, had a disruptive moment? It hasn't really been updated for a long time.
It began with a series of just quick sketches.
So the beautiful thing is that this is not just a mother-in-law quarters in your backyard, but it's also something that could be used for multifamily housing, a unit that is really used in many, many different ways. ZenniHome is tomorrow's home today.